Hey guys, my name is Alina. Today I'm going to clean my room because, well, it's kind of dirty and a mess, and I share a room with my sister, so it gets pretty gross. And I feel like if I do a video about it, I might actually clean it because I've been saying I'm cleaning it for like a week now. So let's get right into it. done cleaning. I should probably go to sleep since it's like 3 in the morning, but I just have to like change her bed sheets. I want white ones to match my bed. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.